My biggest achievement and inspiration, famous Nollywood actress Regina Daniels says as she threw a lavish birthday party for her two sons, Munir and Khalifa. Before we continue and many more updates, if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Please kindly follow me, turn on your notification bell, hit the like button, leave a comment, and lastly, please do me this favor, kindly share my video with family and friends. God bless you all, one love. It is a double celebration for Nollywood famous actress Regina Daniels as she celebrates her sons as they turn 3 and 1. The Nollywood actress Regina Daniels and her husband threw a lavish birthday party for their sons Munir and Khalifa, who clocked 3 and 1 on Thursday, June 29, 2023. The proud mother of two, Regina Daniels, took to her social media page to share videos, photos from the event, which was attended by their celebrities, friends and family. In a length post on her Instagram page, the movie star Regina Daniels described her boys as her biggest achievements on earth and her inspiration for a new way of life. She expressed how blessed, favored and honored she is to be their mother, as she noted how seeing them every day gives her continuous assurance to take her motherly role very well. Writing a note to Khalifa, she described him as the Odogu of the house, as she complimented his calm nature. For Munir, she expressed how amazed she is by the things he does and says. She described him as the smartest 2-year-old boy she has ever known. So guys, let's celebrate with them. Do not forget to wish these cute babies a happy birthday at the comment section. Do hit the like button. Follow us, subscribe. God bless you all. One love.
Up on your feet as we make welcome the latest celebrant of the day. Superstar DSB, drop something one more time. Let go, let go. Hey, go. ABJ Asa. DJ. This is the match between Nigeria and Brazil. You can see Khalifa with the ball, passing ball to Munir. Munir passing ball to Khalifa. Back to Daddy. Daddy back to Mommy. Mommy back to Khalifa. He takes up. He's there. Happy birthday to you boys.
Like it?
I love it.
Thank you.
What here? And there are 2 parts each.
Yes, everybody will do.
So you have the six, you have Mortal Kombat.
So that's one more like.
That's the one he likes. Okay. Gun, carries.
Of your category, you have 2 to your name. Drop your number. Yes. So, Gold, Doreen, Galumi, go and drop your mommy's number with.
Maybe we should go on it to make a video of it. I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk.
You like it?
I love it.
Thank you.
What here?
Yes, just behind here.
And there are 2 parts each.
Yes, everybody will do.
So you have the six, you have Mortal Kombat.
So that's one more like.
That's the one he likes.
Okay.
Gun, carries.
Hey mama, assistant birthday girl, looking so cute. Ooh, mama moo.
I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk.
Happy birthday, baby. You like my key? See birthday boy. Moon Bobo. Moon, look here. Say hello. Yeah, see my key.
Where's your car?
It's outside. Oh, Moon, high five. High five. Good boy. Good boy. You're so cute.
You know what this one is for? You know. What's this? That is not to drive away mosquitoes. No. It's like this. Let me show you. And then the colors of the paint are inside. Are you listening to me? And then the colors of the paint. The first one is for cow. And I still bought the same for moon. That's matching teddies. Flower. Oh, you spoiled it. Wow. What color is that? Oh, you spoiled it. I got this one for you too. You know what this one is for? You know. What's this? That is not to drive away mosquitoes. No. It's like this. Let me show you. And then the colors of the paint are inside. Are you listening to me? And then the colors of the paint. The first one is for cow. And I still bought the same for moon. That's matching teddies. Flower. Oh, you spoiled it. Wow.